Module 5. How can I share data on a web GIS? Global Water Grabbing, a collaborative story map using ArcGIS StoryMap ESRI. A story map can be based on your previous research, carried out to collect the information to show to students to meet their learning objectives. All material already collected for the activity is available here. You are going to create a collaborative story map about water grabbing, integrating a map and a survey. Go to the ArcGIS StoryMap platform. You can use your institutional license, or you can get a free developer account and sign in with your Gmail or Facebook account, or by adding all your information. After signing in, add a new story. There are different starting points. We will use the first one. Add title: The Global Water Grabbing. The anxiety about water is an increasing concern in the world. Subtitle: Add the video water MP4 or image water. And you will get something similar to this. It is possible to change the design, perhaps something clearer, lighter, and with a good color scheme. It is possible to also add the logo of your organization. In this case, we use the MyGeo logo. You don't need to save everything, as it is regularly saved automatically. Things you can add on ArcGIS story maps on clicking the button can be seen here. It is also possible to embed other resources such as a map, which can also be created with the map tool. With these tools, it is possible to add data to build the story map. Our story comes with some highlights about the problems on water supply. Text: copy and paste and add formatting. 40% of the world's population suffers from problems related to water supply, in bold, big letters. We will continue with the importance of water, and then we will have a subheading in bold. Water is a scarce asset, indispensable for human development. Without water, there is no life. Paragraph in normal letters. Water is at the center of sustainable development, as it is indispensable for health, well-being, and poverty and hunger eradication. After, it is possible to add some water problems as a bulleted list. Now we will add the image Water Uses in the World, source FAO 2016, that illustrates different uses of water. The image can be placed in different locations on the story map. For example, float or sidecar. And we can add more information. Heading in big letters in bold. Do you have any knowledge about water grabbing? Subheading in bold. Water grabbing in a few words. Add a paragraph in normal letters. These are situations. Subheading in bold. Share your research by filling in a survey. Paragraph in normal letters. Subheading in bold. Students should research and add a good example here. We will embed the survey already prepared. We only need to know the URL for sharing and copy and paste this paragraph. In the yellow highlights, the name of the survey. The main data to fill in the questionnaire are the location, the source of the data, the year of publication, the URL, a brief description of the problem, and the option of adding another observation. We will also add a map with the survey results geolocated. Heading in big letters. The map of the distance to water access. Subheading in bold. Look at the places where access to water involves more difficulty. It is possible to create the map in ArcGIS Online and add other layers of data. For example, a layer with the data of distance to the water sources. To embed the map, copy and paste the text from sharing options of the map in ArcGIS Online available on this link. Add a map subheading. The yellow colors are further from water sources. Add a separator. Heading in big letters. Learn more about the issue of water grabbing. Subheading in bold. References. After adding references, we can reflect about the challenges of water problems. Subheading in big letters. Reflection. Will water be the cause of the next wars around the world? We can also add a button with the MyGeo project website as it is the main background of this work. Add some credits about this story, the origin of the story. And to see the result, go to preview mode. If everything is not complete or there are errors, you can edit the story map again. You can also preview the story map on tablets and smartphones. And then when finalized, share the story with everyone. The link to the story can be copied and pasted into social media to share. It is possible also to print the story map as a PDF. Thus, students would have a deep study of its content. The result should be similar to the one on this link. Thank you very much, and don't miss the next module session.